she's at. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be like my first official video that I'll be doing since I left, and yes, I told you guys I'm back. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to start or how to run a fashion business as a Nigerian student. You know how classes, assignments, and other things can be. So I'm going to be sharing tips on how you can work as a fashion designer in school and also as a student. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. And if you are new to this channel, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, let's dive right in. So the first tip I'm going to be talking about is, what is your motivation? You need something or someone to serve as your motivation, because you want to start a business. Business can be tiring, especially when you are combining it with schooling and all. So you need to have something that motivates you, not only for the business but also for school. For an example, I'll use myself. There were times I was like, oh, I'm not doing this again. I want to do something new. I want to do this. I was so indecisive. But I had a particular roommate from school, from my first year. She's always the one I reach out to in times like that, and she gives me the right motivation. And I have other people too. So I feel like you should have just one person actually, because there could be conflicts of interest. Like this person could say something different from this person. Do you understand? So you should go for someone you trust more. And if you actually don't like people motivating you, you can have, like, let's say a thing. It could be, let's say, your background or something that could keep you moving. So the next tip is working on your confidence. You cannot confidence is actually having confidence is actually a very, very big deal. And without confidence you cannot do anything, honestly, because especially when it comes to sewing. So you have to work on your confidence before you can start a business or sew for anyone. You have to be so confident about it. And there's no formula to being confident. Do you understand? It's just you believing in yourself. I can do this. And especially when it comes to sewing, you have to practice a lot to actually gain confidence. When it comes to sewing for people, you have to practice a lot. So the third tip would be, wear what you sew. Wear your work. Shamelessly wear your work. Sew for yourself. 70% of your outfits should be what you actually sew by yourself. Monday to Friday, buy crepe fabrics that 1,000 naira per yard. Sew fine pants, trousers, skirts, tops, and all. Sundays, sew your dresses. Sew beautiful dresses for church or mosque or whichever religion you practice. So beautiful dresses. So 70% of the time I want you to wear your outfit. Honestly, it works like magic, and you're going to come back and tell me thank you. If you're still watching my video up to this point and you're actually learning something and you haven't subscribed yet, please, I want you to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Right into the next tip. The next tip, which is the fourth tip, is going to be setting your standards. Set your standards. Let people know what you do. Let people know this is the things I accept. Sorry, these are the things I accept, and these are the things I do not accept. What are the things you need to put in place? Your niche. Let people know the kind of niche you practice. Let people know the kind of wears you sew. Oh, I sew only corporate wears. Whenever they have a presentation or something and they don't have corporate wears in their wardrobe, they come to you. Oh, I sew only casual wears. Oh, I sew only Ankara fabrics. Oh, I make one bed dresses. I do this, I do that. Let people know what you do exactly. The next thing is to set your price standard. Let people know your price standard. Nobody should come and price you down. And when you are pricing, one other thing you should not do, don't price yourself down. Please, still under setting your standard. Let people know the number of orders you take per week or number of orders you take per month. Because you're a student, you cannot take every work that everybody brings to you. Have a restriction to the number of orders you take. Let's say in a week you can only make dress for 3 people. You can only take 3 orders. Even if it's one person that is wearing 3 clothes, it's just that one person you are working with for that week. So the next step is having a separate account for your personal money and for your business money. Because you're a small business owner, because you're a small fashion designer or whatever, does not mean that you should have a joint account for both business and personal use. That's not professionalism. It's being accountable, being responsible, because you don't want to earn right now and you are spending immediately. Like, you're not even seeing the profits you are earning per month from the business. Do you understand? So you want to know your record. You want to know how much I earn in a month, how much I earn in January, how much I earn in February. Is there a difference between January and February? Is there something I can do to improve my profit or increase my profit for for March? Do you understand? So you will need to have a separate account so that you can keep record. And still under having a separate account in the terms of social media, have a separate account for your personal updates or whatever, and have a separate account for your business. The last tip is going to be, if there is no tangible reason for you to do it, please don't quit, because you never can tell. You don't know if these days right now they are your